Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on some quick fashion hacks that you can do to make any outfit look better. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you see anything that you like, I'll leave links to all of the items or similar ones down below in the description box, and let's get into it. So the first hack is how to style a belt like this. Now this is a really great way to style your belt if maybe you're wearing a dress like this and you don't have, you know, any belt loops to put the belt into and you don't want it sticking out like this. So for example, if I just left it, this would hang really awkwardly and it just doesn't look very flattering and it just doesn't finish off the outfit. So a great way to fix this if you don't have any belt loops. So you start with your belt done up as normal, like so, and then you take this end of the belt and you thread it through this part of the belt here, just like that. And then you'll see there'll be a little bit of a loop here. So what you want to do is thread this end through that loop and just pull it down like so. Neaten it up a bit, and that is it. It really is as quick and simple as that. And it's just a great way to elevate your outfit if you're wearing a dress like this and you just want to add an accessory but you don't have any belt loops, or you know, if you're wearing a pair of jeans or trousers or a skirt which doesn't have any belt loops either. It's a great way to style your belt, and it also looks really fashionable too. So this next hack is perfect if you've got a particular style of t-shirt that you'd really like to wear in the summertime but you'd like it to be more of a vest style, so you've got a bit more space around your arms, or maybe you've just got an oversized t-shirt or an old t-shirt which you want to revamp a little bit and make it look a bit different. So I've just got on this regular kind of oversized t-shirt here. So what you want to do to make it into a vest style, which is super on trend at the moment too, everywhere seems to be selling this style of t-shirt where it kind of finishes here and it's got a little bit more of kind of like a statement shoulder detail, very 80s shoulder pad style here. So what you want to do is pull your bra strap over your t-shirt. Now I've put on a nude bra just to show you how to do this hack, but I would recommend you using, you know, a similar colour bra to your t-shirt just so it hides it a little bit better. It shouldn't show up anyway, but just so you know, feel a bit happier when you're wearing this hack out. So what you want to do is pull your bra strap out and put it over the top of the t-shirt like this. So this looks really weird at the moment, but you just do this just so you can kind of create this detail here. And then what you want to do is pull the t-shirt here, and this just pulls the ends through the bra strap. And then you'll see it creates this vest style here, so you just want to do the same on the other side. So again, I'm just pulling the bra strap over the t-shirt. It's really hard to do these hacks whilst making sure I'm in the camera as well. And then that's it, it's as simple as that. So you can see, you can't see the bra strap underneath. It's very well hidden, but like I said, to make sure it's extra well hidden, I would wear a similar colour bra as your t-shirt. But it's such a good way to still keep this trend but not have to buy any new clothes, because you can just literally do this with any of your t-shirts. I think it works best with a t-shirt which is a little bit baggier and more of a boyfriend fit, but you could also try this on a regular t-shirt too, and I still feel like it would work. So this next hack is when you've got on your favourite cardigan, and it's great for winter when it's super long and cozy, but you want to give it a bit of a fresh look for spring and you want it to look a bit more cropped than how it looks now. So the easiest way to do this with clothes that you already have is, firstly, if you just wear it like normal, you'll just see it hangs like this. So instead, if you take the cardigan off and wear it upside down. Now I know that sounds really weird, but it really does work. So instead, I'm putting on the cardigan like this. So I'm putting my arm through this way, and then I'm gonna put my arm through this hole here. And then all you do is straighten it up a little bit like this, and you've just got a completely different look. So instead of it being a long line cardigan, we've now made it into a cropped cardigan. And this is just a great way to style your cardigans for spring if you don't want to buy any new clothes and you just want to reuse the clothes that you already have. Maybe you've got a really old kind of oversized cardigan and you just want to style it up a bit differently. That's a great hack to do to just create a completely different look. Just make sure if there is any labels that you tuck them in, because I always seem to kind of have them on show and it's really bad. So yeah. So this next hack is when you've got on a shirt and you want to style it up a little bit differently again. So this time, instead of just wearing your shirt like this, all you need to do is grab one end of the shirt like that and then just thread it through your belt loop like this. So take your other end of your shirt and thread it through the belt loop again. And it's just created this really nice bow effect at the bottom, which is great if you've got on an oversized shirt and you just want to make it a little bit more fitting to you, or if you just want to mix your shirt up again, maybe it's an old shirt, something like that, just a different way to style your shirt. And you can use any shirt for this hack. It doesn't need to be a check shirt. You could use, you know, a smart silk shirt and do the same thing with a skirt. There's so many different, you know, ways you can apply this hack, but I just feel like it works really well to kind of dress your outfit up a little bit more and make it look a bit different. So this next hack is when you've got on a top like this, so maybe a halter neck top where this part is missing, or just a sleeveless top which is a little bit too sleeveless so that you can see your bra straps, is to first undo them at the back. So just like this, I've just unclipped the straps from the back. So then what I'm going to do is cross the straps over. So you may need to adjust your straps a little bit just so it doesn't strangle you too much. So then what I'm going to do is cross that over around my neck and then do it up at the back. So then all you do to do it up is just thread the two clips together, and then you'll never have to worry about your bra strap showing out underneath again. So this next hack is when you want to wear your blazer over the top of your shoulders, but it always just seems to kind of fall off. This is especially good if you're going to maybe an event or something and you need to move your hands around a lot, or I don't know, you just want to feel a little bit more comfortable, but you don't want to worry about the blazer slipping off. So the best way to fix this, and I think I've just lost, it's here. So the best way to fix this and to make sure it doesn't slip off your shoulders is to take two safety pins. So what you want to do is attach the top and your blazer together. And then also do the same for the other shoulder. And then you won't have to worry about your blazer slipping off your shoulders ever again. And then the final hack I have to show you today is if you're wearing a blazer like this and you want to roll your sleeves up but they just keep on falling down. The easiest way to fix this is to take a hair tie or an elastic band, or you know, anything similar that you feel comfortable wearing. Put that over the top of the blazer and then just roll the sleeves up like this just to cover the band. And it's the easiest and quickest way to do it to stop your sleeves from rolling down. So just to show you on the other side, just put it on the sleeve and then just pull the sleeve over the band to disguise it. And it really is as quick and easy as that. So I really hope you liked the hacks in this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because that really would mean so much to me. It really does help me out, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you that does likes, comments and supports me. It honestly means so much. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments too. Which hack was your favourite? Do you have any hacks that you use on a regular basis to make your outfits look even better? Because I'd love to hear what you think. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.